After using the Oraimo FreePods Plus earbuds for a while, if you feel that the sound or volume seems too low, you wish it could be louder, then in this tutorial we'll show you how to boost the volume. And we have a special trick to maximize volume for those who are using a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or Plus. Now we'll start with the basics. Start by increasing the volume of the device it's paired to. Now if you've already done that, it didn't help. Make sure there isn't any earwax or dust or debris gathered into the audio channel through the ear tip. Just go ahead, take a Q-tip, clean both of your earbuds gently. Before going to the next part, we recommend you to download and install the Oraimo Sound app on your device. Now open the Oraimo Sound app, make sure the buds are connected to the app. Go to the app dashboard, scroll down, and enter Equalizer. And then tap on Create. Now what I'm going to show you isn't the best settings, but it'll immediately boost the volume. So turn down the volume of your phone to protect your ear first. All you have to do is turn up the sliders to all the channels like this. Save it. Now you can instantly hear the sound louder than before. As I said in the beginning, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, tap on the volume rocker from this three-dot menu to this full icon. Tap on this three-dot again, go to media volume limit, toggle this option on, and then slide this custom limit towards right to maximize the volume. Hope this video helped you maximize the volume on your Oraimo FreePods Pro Plus. Thanks for watching.